Hey everyone, welcome back to Coles on the Go. Today we're checking out a spot that a lot of you have probably driven past 100 times without stopping, the Big Apple in Colborne, Ontario. If you've ever taken the 401 between Toronto and Kingston, you know the giant red apple I'm talking about. It's right off exit 497, about an hour and 15 minutes east of Toronto, and we finally pulled off to check it out. Now for a quick note before we walk through it. We went on a weekday, so a few things were closed. I'll point those out as we go, but don't worry, there was still plenty to see. We started out heading into the main building, since the outdoor vendor was actually closed, but that ended up working out, because right through the window we got to watch some baking. Trays coming out, the whole process going on right in front of our eyes. From there we wandered into the merch shop first, poked around a bit, and then made our way into the bakery. And this is really the heart of the place. Fresh apple pies, fritters, turnovers, apple cider donuts, apple butter. The smell alone is worth a stop. We grabbed a fresh pie and a couple of fritters, and I ate mine on the way back to the car. Zero regrets. After the bakery, we headed into the apple itself, the big 10-meter structure you see from the highway. There's a viewing platform up top and a little display of the history of apple growing in the area. Fun little climb, good view, worth doing it at least once. Walking the grounds after that, we noticed the mini-putt course, the merry-go-round, and the roller coaster were all closed. Again, weekday visit, so if this matters to you, definitely call ahead or check their website before you go. We were a little disappointed to miss those, especially the mini golf. We also popped into Garden Treasures. It's a small but fun place to browse around. One of our favorite parts of the whole visit was the petting zoo. We got to feed some goats, which was a big hit with Allie. Honestly, a highlight of the trip. If you're bringing little ones, don't skip this part. The last thing we checked out was the trail, which wrapped up our visit nicely before we headed back out to the car. So here's our honest take. If you're expecting a full-blown theme park, a weekday visit might leave you missing out on a few things. The rides, the mini golf, the outdoor food vendors were all closed for us. But if you go in for the bakery, the apple climb, and the petting zoo, you're going to have a great time regardless. If you've been to the Big Apple, let us know your go-to bakery order in the comments. And if you haven't stopped yet, consider this your sign. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Take care, everyone.